It's episode number 10 of Chappy's Tiki Bar. This episode, I'm going to make the world's best Pina Colada. Then we're going to take a trip out to Tokyo Street Market. And then I'm going to tell you one of my best tropical destination stories. So sit back, relax, stay at home, and join Mookie and I at my Tiki Bar. So stay indoors, stay safe, and pour yourself a drink. Get ready for Chappy's Tiki Bar. Greetings and salutations. Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy, and today we're going to make a Pina Colada. As legend would have it, it was invented by a Puerto Rican pirate in the 19th century. What's that, Mookie? No, it wasn't Roberto Clemente, but good one. Alright, so we'll get started on making that Pina Colada. Mookie, do you want to cue the Pina Colada making music? What's that? Oh, we can't play Pina Colada making music because of copyright laws? Okay. Well, you're willing to sing a song for us? Alright, well, this is unexpected. So here's the stirring rendition of Miss Mookie Betts. She's going to perform a version of a song about a pineapple and coconut drink, or as the Spanish say, a pineapple coconut drink, senor. So, take it away, Mookie. Do you like getting strikes against you from YouTube and getting caught playing copywritten material? Do. If you're not into Chappy's Tiki Bar, then you have half a brain. Do. If you like getting calls from Rupert Holmes's lawyer, then you can't escape. Do. I don't get paid enough for this. Don't. Good job, Mookie. Good job. Alright, so let's get started on that Pina Colada. Alright, we're all set up. Mookie and I are going to make the world's greatest Pina Colada. So we're going to have two kinds of pineapple. We got the fresh one I'm going to use for a garnish. So when you're cutting a pineapple, you can see it's like sort of diagonally. So if you take the little nubs out diagonally, you'll get more pineapple. And then I like to put the frozen pineapple in the actual blender. Instead of ice, you're basically just getting more flavor. So in goes the frozen pineapple. And then we're just going to cut up this fresh pineapple. You just want to cut the pineapple off at the top here. What? Oh, sorry, Mookie. Thought you were a pineapple. I'm sorry. You better get out of here, you little scamp, or you're going to lose a paw. Alright. Get! I was just kidding. Mookie does her own stunts. If you saw in episode 1, she did all her own stunts. She actually used to be a stunt double for the Ewoks in the old Star Wars movies. Reminds me of a joke. When I used to work at the Dole Pineapple Factory in Hawaii, I got fired for sticking my finger into a pineapple slicer. She got fired too, the pineapple slicer. Before you put in the comments, reminds me of the time you stole Ron White's joke. I know, but he put his finger in a pickle slicer, so it's different. All right, so we got the frozen pineapple in. I got some coconut milk. It was a little clumpy, so I gave it a little stir. Oh, it's still a little clumpy, but it'll all come out in the blender. And we got fresh pineapple juice. Sometimes if I have time, I'll put a real pineapple through the juicer to get the really fresh pineapple juice. This is just concentrate. And then the key ingredient, drum roll. Here, I'll do the tiki drums. So this is my secret. My aunt was in Bora Bora, and she asked them how they made their pina coladas, and they put coconut ice cream in. That is the key. Now I just have, it's like a healthy sorbet made from coconut milk. If you can get the really full fat ice cream, coconut ice cream, use that, and then use the full fat coconut milk too. So we're going to put a good schwack of the coconut ice cream in there. All right, so it's coming along. Okay, and then we're gonna give it a whiz. So here's my next pro tip. If you have a Ninja blender where the lid's broken, take your really expensive Tommy Bahama silk shirt off before you blend. Okay, we're gonna give it a good blend here. Whoops, see what happens. Now, if you're just tuning in, this is not a porno movie. I just got a little carried away with the blender. Here, we'll put the towel over top of it. Okay, perfect. Oh, we forgot the rum. So what I do, I put rum in the Pina Colada, and then I get a darker rum and do a rum floater. Right now I just have some Sailor Jerry's. It says I paid $22 for it, so I know I didn't get it in Canada. So we're going to give it a good schwack of the Sailor Jerry's. And we're going to give it another buzz. Towel on top this time. All right. So I have a little tiki glass for Mookie and a big tiki glass for me. She's run off because I almost cut her up with a machete. Okay, and then I got the giant pineapple for a garnish. And that is my Pina Colada. So we're going to Tokyo Street Market in Calgary, Alberta. But first we're going to do the best tropical destination stories. So we'll get Mookie to go summon the tiki drums, and I'll begin my best tropical destination story. Thank you for summoning the tiki drums, Mookie. All right, so this is, again, it's going to be one of my best tropical destination stories. This week I'm going to Bermuda. So I was working on the Dream Word from Norwegian Cruise Lines. I was working in the gift shop, and we were doing the New York Bermuda run, which was fantastic. When we got to Bermuda, we docked in Hamilton, and we had 3.5 days off. Now, because I worked in the gift shop, you weren't allowed to open in international waters. So anyways, we were in Bermuda, and it was always just drunken debauchery. And there was this one kid, he was a photographer on the ship, and he seemed to just get ridiculously drunk, and he had this bad habit of passing out in people's cabins. So I think his buddies kind of just got tired of carrying him home or having him pass out on the floor in their cabins. So one night they played a little joke on him. They took him back to his cabin, and they pulled his pants down, and they got a pencil and put a condom on the end of the pencil and shoved the pencil and the condom up his butt, removing the pencil, leaving the condom in his butt. So the next day, he woke up, didn't say a word to anyone, but he stopped passing out in people's cabins. So that's my best tropical destination story from Bermuda. Please send your best tropical destination stories to Chappiness Tiki Bar at yahoo.com, and I'll read your best tropical destination on my show. So coming up next, we're going to Tokyo Street Market in Calgary, Alberta. Mind you, this was filmed way before the world shut down, so I believe Tokyo Market still does takeout. I just have a little write-up about it here. So it's basically owned by Kinjo Sushi, which is one of my favorite sushi restaurants in town. So it says the K Charcoal Grill and Kinjo Sushi have teamed up to bring you a whole new take on Japanese food Calgary. Our new concept is called Tokyo Street Market. We've modeled the menu and decor based on the delicacies you would find exploring the bustling streets of Tokyo and the many street markets. Tokyo Street Market has a patio overlooking the city and also serves a variety of alcoholic drinks, including Japanese beer and sake. The concept we're embodying is fresh, fast food, the perfect place for a quick lunch or to hang out after work for a beer. Tokyo Street Market is child-friendly, and we're sure they'll love some of the traditional Japanese decor. So I believe that, again, that they're still open during the massive shutdown for takeout, and I think you can probably get them on Skip the Dish. So it was very reasonable and delicious. And once this whole thing's over, it's a great place to go for the atmosphere. So without any further ado, here's my trip to Tokyo Market, which was filmed a couple months ago. And Sapporo beer as an appetizer. So I got the deluxe ramen with barbecue pork, green onions, seaweed, beef brisket, egg, and minced pork. This comes in a ceramic bowl. I had the gyoza for appetizer, and the Sapporo beer, and bill here, it came to $15.55, so that's with the bowl of ramen, appetizer, and beer. You can actually get, they have the regular ramen that comes in the plastic bowl. You can get a regular ramen for $5, so it's very reasonable. Alright, so I got the deluxe ramen shozu style, spicy. You can tell they make the noodles fresh, it's really good. Got a bit of kick getting some ground pork and beef brisket. Very nice. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar. If you liked the episode, give me a like and leave any comments below. Also, please subscribe to my channel. And if you're watching any of my other episodes and there's one particular thing that you'd like to watch, just go down in the description and click beside the thing that you want to watch, and the actual time is a hyperlink that will take you directly to whatever you want to watch. So this is Chappy saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes. But sometimes it goes the other way. So stay inside and stay safe, everyone. And we'll see you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar. Mookie says goodbye as well.